Okay, welcome back on this Friday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone, and for right now on the radar, we have some activity here around Bradenton, Palmetto. Just some moderate showers taking place. Don't see any lightning strikes out of this. Also in Lakewood Ranch, we have a cell producing some moderate to even heavy showers. And then also we did have some shower activity, just some light showers now to the east of 75 to the southeast of Punta Gorda. Right now it's warm, upper 80s around the Sun Coast, but the feel-like temperature is close to 100 degrees, and some areas could actually get a little bit warmer than that. We have a westerly wind that has developed around these two spinning wheels, and that muggy air coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, stirring up some shower activity along the coast, at least the early afternoon, but by the late afternoon, these showers and storms will really get going inland as the sea breeze convergence tracks further inland, and then those heavier storms will push eastward with the upper level westerly winds taking place. Now, some of the debris of these storms later on tonight could trigger with the outflow boundaries some coastal showers, but that'll be later on this evening. You can see the heavier storms today will be inland, and then they push off towards the east. Talk about the tropics right now. National Hurricane Center is looking at this pretty closely. We have an area of disorganized shower activity and storms here in the southern northern Atlantic near the equator, so we'll watch this pretty closely. Over the next few days, it is conducive to develop into something stronger, but it is expected to run into some upper level wind shear. Just looking at the hurricane track of this year, we've had 4 storms. Alberto was a tropical storm, Burl and Chris were hurricanes, and then Debbie was a tropical storm just the other day, but it dissipated. Looks like the National Hurricane Center has lessened the chance now of these storms to get going. One of the reasons why is because of the cooler waters here in the Atlantic. And we haven't seen temperatures like this since like 1982. It's very cold for these storms to survive. Now, if a storm does get into the Gulf of Mexico or the Western Caribbean, different story, especially if the upper level atmospheric conditions are ripe for it, meaning no wind shear. Now, if a storm develops here, you can see temperatures in the upper 80s, lower 90-degree range. That could be a problem. But fortunately, at least for the next 5 days, we are all clear of any sort of tropical activity for the Caribbean or the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, we'll keep you posted here. 90 degrees will be your high today. It's warm and humid, mostly sunny, then partly cloudy depending on where you are, and looks like we'll have chance for shower activity inland today and storms. And speaking of a big shower, we're going to have the Perseid meteor shower tonight, Saturday night, and Sunday night. Rain chance ramps up on Saturday and Sunday over the weekend. Back to school forecast shows some shower activity in the early morning hours by the bus stop, then more heavier storms develop inland. And it looks like the wind shifts will come in from the south and east as we get in the mid to late next week, meaning the storms will start inland and then push towards the coast. Back to you.